Hello, hello, hello. Happy Sunday. I'm back with another recipe. Y'all know I do my recipes after I already cook it because my recipes is actually something, when I'm cooking for dinner. So, this is how you make lemon cream sauce for your pasta or whatever you want to make the lemon cream sauce with. You start off with butter. I would say use a half a stick, just depending on how much sauce you're using, but I use a half a stick to about one and a half of these, or maybe sometimes a whole stick to a quart size heavy cream. So you need butter, heavy whipping cream, chicken bouillon or chicken stock or chicken bouillon. I would say bouillon. A garlic clove smashed, and a lemon. The lemon as well. This depend how much you use depends on how much of whipping cream that you use. So the more whipping cream you use, the more chicken bouillon and lemon you're going to use, just all depending on how much of the lemon taste that you want in your cream sauce. So I used one and a half because I had a half of one left over from another recipe I'm going to be doing. I used probably a half a stick of butter. I used two small, I want to say they're about teaspoon sizes. I used two. I used one garlic, and you just take it, peel it, and just smash it down to open it up. And then I used two of these lemons, small lemons. So that's what you need. Butter, heavy whipping cream, chicken bouillon, a garlic clove smashed, and a lemon. The lemon and the chicken bouillon depends on how much of the heavy whipping cream you use in your recipe. Of course, you will need a lot of heavy whipping cream if you make it a big pot of pasta, whatever. You can use any pasta you want. And basically, if I could get this board back over here, hold on. So basically, here is my dinner: lemon cream sauce with broccoli and pasta. I just used spaghetti noodles. I sauteed my broccoli with, I softened it first in the microwave. I put it on the vegetable setting. And then afterwards, I seasoned it with pink Himalayan sea salt and adobo seasoning. And mixed it, tossed it with some, chopped up some shallots and minced garlic. And I, you know, sauteed the garlic and shallot first while the broccoli was in the microwave softening up, just steaming like a steamed broccoli. And then once everything was done, I just put everything together, dumped everything in the pot with the pasta after I drained it, and mixed everything up. And this is what you have. Pasta with broccoli and lemon cream sauce. And it's actually delicious. And I also, after I dump everything in, I put in some shredded Parmesan cheese as well. And it's delicious. So that's our dinner for tonight with a salad. Y'all have a great Sunday night. I hope everybody have a great start to your week tomorrow, which is Monday. Um, this is my birthday week. Friday is my birthday, August 9th, Leo gang. And peace. Give me that thumbs up. Please give me that thumbs up on your way in, if you can. On your way to bed, if you could run my playlist so I could get these 4,000 watch hours, I greatly appreciate it. And y'all have a good day or night, wherever you are. Bye.